gems, welcome back to the Sapphire Star. Today we are doing another tablet review for the lovely company xppen. We are going to be reviewing the... Wait, I totally just butchered that. We're going to be reviewing the... Wait, can I do it? The Deco LW pen tablet. We're like running out of space here. So currently the Deco LW is about $90 USD. I've heard really great things about the feeling of this tablet, so we're gonna see how it is. Let's get to unboxing and opening. And we're also here live on Twitch, so say hi to everybody on Twitch. Everybody says hi to YouTube. We're excited to review this live. If you want to check out any of my other tablet reviews live, make sure you follow me on Twitch and come hang out with us. Feel free to ask questions about what tablet that you think you should get, and I will give you a recommendation based on what I've tried. All right, let's get into it. All right, we gotta open it. We gotta be careful always. I try not to scratch the box. Fun tip, when you're opening stuff, you should always cut away from yourself for safety. Never cut towards yourself. If you didn't know that, now you know. All right, we got it, nice. Gotta use the nails. So here's the box cover. It's nice. Again, I still prefer having like really pretty painterly art on the cover. This simple design is nice, but personally, I still do prefer having a really like beautiful piece of artwork on the front. I feel like tablet companies always benefit from having something like that, and I actually think it really adds to their sales. All right, here we go. Oh, it is pink! Wow! It matches with the vibe gems! Oh my gosh, it's pink. Let's go. All right, so most tablets do come with like this little like screen package too. Please don't use your scissors here, just use your hands. You don't want to scratch your tablet. That would really not be good. Look at it, it's pink. It matches with the whole vibe, the whole aesthetic. It feels nice. Oh, they knew they were getting pink here, so they matched it. No, I told them I wanted pink. Ooh, it feels silky soft. Dude, what is it with tablets and then being able to be pillows? I'm literally gonna sleep on this tablet. It's like so soft. It looks like there's braille on the hotkey, so you know which one you're on. That is very cool. All right, so there are a lot of different colors that you can get with the Deco, and this like really beautiful pink color is the one I got. I love it. There's a really pretty blue. There's black as well. Blue, black, green, pink. I'm really digging this pink color. Obviously goes with the whole vibe and aesthetic. Very nice. And I love that they give you custom colors. That's always an important part for me too. I just like being able to customize to my setup. Here's the pen. It feels okay. I definitely had, I really like pens that have like a natural grip on them. This one doesn't really have that. So pen comparison. Here is the Deco LW pen, xppen, Deco LW. Oop. We have the 22 HD Cintiq Wacom pen next to it. So we got 1, 2. And then we have the Wacom 1 pen right here. This is Wacom 1, 13 inch. So this is our difference here. It's pretty much on par with like a similar size. Here is the difference of like the nibs. So as we can see, one downside is, but for most cheap tablets, you don't have an eraser, and that's a huge difference. So you will not have an eraser on this pen, and it does look like a wireless pen right now, which is great. All right, perfect. So looks like we have one of the pen nib grabbers. Again, you can pull the nib out with these. Next we have, it looks like a USB. So this tablet is plugged in via USB, not HDMI port. We got USB device, and then this end will plug into the tablet. I love when tablets do this, so huge props on the Deco LW for coming with adapters. They have adapters depending on what you're using. So it looks like we have a micro USB adapter, which is, I think for Android, I believe, would be micro USB. And then we have a Thunderbolt for Mac. So the Deco LW does support it supports mobile devices, and it also supports Mac and Windows. And then we also have, here's the Bluetooth chip right here. And then we also have the direct cord. So you have options here. You can either go Bluetooth or you can connect directly with your cord with the Deco LW. And we're gonna test out both to see how they work and see which one, if there's any differences or latency issues with the tablet. So we also got our little quick guides here for extra information if you ever get stuck with understanding how to utilize your tablet. And it also comes with a bunch of extra pen nibs as well. And you could use that little pen nib grabber that I showed you earlier to replace the nibs. You should replace your nibs. I feel like once every 3 months is usually pretty good. And another thing to note is that the Deco LW has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is usually pretty normal for this price tablet. So we just plugged plugged it in. If you're using the USB, we're gonna start with the USB version. You'll just plug it into the side here, the main port, and then the USB will go into your PC or your Mac. If you're using an adapter, you can use one of the chips that we talked about earlier. So we have the red light glowing, so it should be glowing if your tablet's plugged in and ready to be used. Here it is. We got full aesthetic down here, matching with all the pink vibes. Cool. So we just plugged in the Deco LW. I didn't get any prompts when I plugged it in, so I'm assuming we might have to go download some drivers off of the website. So I'm just gonna pop open my Chrome here. All right, so we have the XP pen here. Let's see, product applications. And we're gonna scroll down and find our tablet. We've got the Deco LW right here. This is our tablet. We'll click on that one. And here is manuals, so you can download the manuals off of, and here's the Mac software and drivers, and then we have the Windows right here. Okay, so we will download the Windows version here. So we have the wireless painting tool for Windows, and we have the XP Pen Windows. We're gonna do the regular XP Pen Windows right now. Once it's downloaded, we can right-click, extract here. Actually, we'll extract to XP Pen. We'll get that folder open. We can, run this executable. Yes. Note, to ensure the driver can be used normally after installation, please close all open painting software, and we don't have any painting software open right now. Okay. I've read and accepted. Yeah, I totally read it. You guys saw me read it. Cool. Okay, so the launcher is looking okay compared to some other ones that I've seen. Do we have to restart? You should restart your computer to make the driver run properly. All right, we're not restarting our computer to make the driver run properly. We're gonna just go for it. I believe. Come on. Here we go.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, we'll have to restart again, Gems, for the driver updates. Thanks for being patient with me. I appreciate you all so very much. Cool, so we have our landing. Usually all tablet companies have some sort of launcher where you can control your tablet. So this is XP Pens. As you can see, we have the Deco LW plugged in. So the first section we're gonna go over here is the work area section. There are so many different routes and like ways that you can select your work area. We have ways where you can set it full screen. You can just use the select area. You can actually click and drag and select exactly where you want to be painting on. So that is super cool that we have that amount of customization. Customization, is that a word? Customability? Monitor 3, we're gonna do, so you can rotate through your monitors. I'd recommend doing this if you want to utilize your full monitor space. This is probably the best way to navigate through them. So I'm just gonna be choosing monitor 3 because that's what we're gonna start with. And here's the pen tablet area specifically. So this is focused on your pen tablet, while this section is focused on the screen, your monitor itself. So that's where you can control all of these things with specific dimensions, rotation, etc. Next, we have the pen settings. We have the little customizable buttons that you have on your pen, which you can set up right there. You can customize these and change it to be a different hotkey, whatever you need it to be there. And then we have our pressure sensitivity here too. Most tablets, again, have this for you to be able to adjust the pressure sensitivity and where the current pressure is at. I usually don't mess with this. I usually just leave it. So if you want to test your pen pressure sensitivity, I'm actually placing the pen on the tablet right now, and it shows how much I'm pressing. So this is just me going from like no pressure to a lot of pressure, and you can actually watch it go up and down right there. Next, we have our shortcut keys. So again, on the tablet itself, we have all of our shortcuts right here, and you can assign each of those shortcut keys. So we will go K1, as you can see, is going to be the first button on the left side. So B is commonly used for brush in lots of programs. We'll test that out. We'll also do a Control Z for K2. So I'll just type this in, Control Z, and then there's our keyboard shortcut. And then we can click OK. And then we'll do K3. We'll change to Z for zoom in. So I'm customized. I'm just going to click Z, then click OK. And then space bar for K4. That's fine. And all shortcut keys if you want to go through the full range here, because it only gives you access to the first 4, but you have the full range if you just click on the all shortcut keys at the right there. Next, we do have a battery. Again, this is a Bluetooth tablet. There's a Bluetooth function. Right now, the battery's full because we have it plugged in. Okay, so let's go ahead and test and actually see how this feels in a drawing application and a drawing program. Okay, great. This feels really, really good. I'm gonna turn off that and just test like the pressure sensitivity. Okay, it feels really nice. I'm really enjoying it. It's very smooth. It feels good like on my hand, and it's just a good feeling. And the pressure sensitivity seems to be pretty good. So this is me like pressing barely at all. Now this is me pressing more. So that's about like the pressure sensitivity we have right now with it. And I usually turn my pressure sensitivity on here in Photoshop for the extra. And then we have this guy too, which it depends on your pressure sensitivity as well. So this is all pressure based. You can be looser and have like a thinner line, and then thicker you can press more to have a thicker line. So it's feeling really good. I'm enjoying it. Let's test out our hotkeys here. So we're doing the undo. Here's brush. We'll just go to brush. This is undo, brush, undo, zoom in, and then we have our space bar to move. This is really nice. I'm really enjoying the hotkey feeling as well. It feels good. It's not clunky. Sometimes I've had hotkeys on tablets that feel very clunky. Like you click it and like the button gets stuck, but this feels really smooth. All right, next we're going to be trying out the Bluetooth portion to see if there's any latency issues with the Deco LW. Thankfully, a member in chat named ValaWolf, appreciate you ValaWolf, had said that the best way to do it, which is how we did it, was we turned off the power of your tablet. If you're going to connect Bluetooth, you can hold down the power button right here for 3 seconds. Turn it off, you'll see the lights go off here. Plug in the little USB adapter for Bluetooth into your PC or into your Mac or whatever you're using. And then after that, you'll hold this for 3 seconds again to turn it back on, and your Bluetooth should be connected. Another way to connect your Bluetooth too, once it's on, is you can click and hold this top button for 3 seconds. So that's how you connect your Bluetooth. We did a little bit of testing, so I'll show you a little bit of what it looks like drawing with the Bluetooth one on. All right, so we're going to be using Krita for this demo. There is no latency issues that I'm seeing with the Bluetooth connected, so there's no like delay. It's very instantaneous. I'd notice no difference between having your cord plugged in versus the Bluetooth version. And also, again, if you do not have the extra software downloaded for the Bluetooth, make sure you do that on the xppen website, again, where you select your tablet, and then you can download the wireless program to make sure that all of that is working smoothly with your Deco LW. And yeah, I think overall it's a nice starter beginner tablet. I would buy this tablet if you are interested in doing digital painting, you're a beginner and you don't have the money to invest in a screen tablet yet, and you want that extra sort of aesthetic and potentially Bluetooth connection as well. That's when I would recommend this tablet to you. So thank you so much for watching, Gems. If you're interested in learning about another tablet for a cheaper option, a $36 tablet, you can check out this video, my other review video on the 𝐂𝐚 S830. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on the Sapphire Star. Bye!